So here we're going to expand this binomial. So we have these two terms in brackets here and another two terms in brackets. So we're going to multiply these two terms in brackets by these two terms in brackets. So first, we're going to take this 3x and multiply it by these two terms. So 3x multiplied by 5x, 3 by 5 will give you 15, and x multiplied by x will give you x squared. So we'll get 15x squared. Next, we're going to multiply 3x by the positive y. So 3x by positive y would just be positive 3xy. So we get positive 3xy. Next, we're going to multiply this negative 2y by these two terms. So negative 2y by 5x, well, you're going to have a negative by a positive. So negative 2 by positive 5 is negative 10. So I write the negative 10. And of course, y times x is just yx or xy. It doesn't matter. Yx, xy, same thing. So seeing that I have xy here, I'll write xy. So 10xy. Then I'm going to multiply the negative 2y by the positive y. Again, a negative by a positive will give you a negative. So I write a negative sign. And of course, the y times the y will give you y squared. So 2y times y is 2y squared. So I'll write 2y squared. Now, if we look at this expression, we have like terms. This is a term in xy, and this is another term in xy. Therefore, we could simplify by adding or subtracting. Now, this term in x squared is different from xy, and this term in y squared is different from xy. And of course, y squared is different from x squared. So these two would remain the same. And we're going to simplify these two here. So we have positive 3 take away 10. The signs in front of the numbers are different, so we're going to subtract. 3 from 10 is 7. The sign in front of the 10, which is the bigger magnitude, is negative, so the answer will be negative 7xy. So we'll bring down the 15x squared. Then the simplification of these two is the negative 7xy. So we write negative 7xy, and then we'll bring down the negative 2y squared. And this will be your answer.